Well, 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 look who we have here hiding in the wood pile. Look, Mr. Big Black Snake. Oh boy, there's two of them. There's two adults that I spotted here in the grass yesterday, and I think they're mating, and or what? That's what they were up to, all twisted up like that, which means there's probably going to be babies. They have a whole family of black snakes probably hiding in this wood pile. Well, I don't know. Oh boy, it's what I did do. There was a tarp on here, so that's good. That helps, you know, they can hide from predators. So I took the tarp off and folded it up, and I'm probably gonna put it away somewhere, and trim the grass all back. I'm gonna cut all this stuff down with a weed eater, and make it not such a convenient place for them to hide out. Maybe they'll move out of here. But if the female has laid her eggs, it may be too late. They may get stubborn and get dug in somewhere. It might take some doing. I don't care for snakes. You know, black snakes are really good for, aren't they kind of creepy? Black snakes are really good about keeping, eating rodents. How's that? Shouldn't have any mice problems. Hey, look how big he is. Oh my. Where's your partner? Oh man. Yeah, I don't care to have a family right here. Gosh. Well, maybe if I'd kept this, had this trimmed back a little earlier in the year, they wouldn't have found it such a nice spot to hang out at. Man, oh man. Yeah, he's decided he better maybe go hide a little bit deeper away from me. So I'm gonna get cutting, get this all cut back. Maybe they'll change their mind about where they're gonna locate at.